You can see that this is a baby bottle dishwasher basket. After we place all the items, that like the nipple and the caps, we can easily securely close it. Actually, there are different types of baskets, but the main issue about this, the critical point about how to place the basket in the dishwasher rack, that's what we have to stress on. So when we put the basket, the most important thing that we notice is that we should not put it in a horizontal level. We should put it in a vertical level so that water splits through the splitter. It may evenly go through all the items within the basket. Otherwise, you would get a spotting, which is not actually desirable in such conditions. Thank you very much.